For healthcare organizations, the ability to provide quality care is supported by the revenue it generates. In large part, that revenue is driven by charge capture. Charge capture is a process in which healthcare providers convert individual aspects of care, such as procedures, lab tests, therapies, and more, to be included in the final bill. To facilitate this process, providers now use an electronic health record, or EHR, and the Epic EHR is a market leader with nearly 1/3 of the hospitals in the US using it. Given the importance of charge capture in healthcare and the prominence of Epic in the market, optimizing charge capture in Epic is a critical task for many organizations to ensure they're fully paid for their services. In general, there are 3 primary ways in which charges can be captured using Epic for use in claims for reimbursement: automatic charge capture, manual charge capture, and charge capture via HIM and coding. Epic has some embedded functionality to automatically capture charges. When certain data is present, a specific order or procedure is documented within the record. This is best used for scenarios with simple requirements, such as when only one variation of the charge is available. Automated charge capture also works well for situations where multiple charges are always associated with one another, so you can simply bundle them together in one workflow. By the use of pull-down options when documenting a patient encounter, a charge can be applied manually. In these instances, there may be additional input from the clinician to specify what charge applies. It requires the user to complete the process before the charge is captured. If the user doesn't complete it, the charge will go uncaptured. Coding is the process of translating the clinical, administrative, and billing data from the encounter into a complex medical claim to be submitted for reimbursement. There's one drawback to adding charges during coding. If the coding professional has any questions about the encounter that needs clarification, they have to reach out to the supporting clinicians for assistance, and it can be challenging to get answers in a timely manner. In addition to Epic's built-in functionality, there are other tools that help providers manage the charge capture and reconciliation processes to ensure accurate billing. Epic Revenue Guardian is a free module included with some versions of Epic that can help providers ensure charge capture. Revenue Guardian uses rules to scan the system for data that matches certain dependencies. Given the importance of charge capture and reconciliation, third-party tools are available that enable Epic users to automate the process of analyzing and correcting charge issues daily. Like most specialty software, these charge integrity solutions can offer automation and analysis that deliver substantial value across the enterprise. Ensuring revenue integrity from thousands of patient encounters requires the ability to analyze every aspect of the revenue cycle for potential improvements. In charge capture, this is best managed by daily review of all potential charges to ensure accuracy. To assist with this, Epic's reporting functionality can be used to create reports that compile charges by the department for review by a designated associate on a frequent basis. By understanding the nature of how charges are captured within Epic, as well as the options for reviewing them for accuracy, you can optimize charges across all encounters to improve revenue cycle performance.